Hello everyone, welcome to Tkinter Hub. In the previous video, we have created and added some functionalities in Create Account page. If you have not watched previous videos, this complete project playlist link will be available in the description box. Let's see a quick introduction of this project, what we have created yet. In the beginning, we have created welcome page. When application will launch, then user will land on welcome page. We have created student login page, where student will log in their account. And also we have created admin login page. And also we have created switch pages functionality. From 2 previous videos, we have worked with create account page. Almost we have completely done create account page. We have created and added many functionalities in create account page. In the previous video, we have created some functionalities in create account page. One of the functionality we have created which will check student entered email address format. In case if the student will enter invalid format email address. You can see, I have added 2 star characters in email address. You can see, entered email address detected invalid, because the star characters is not allowed in email address. And also in the previous video, we have created a functionality, which will generate a ID number for student. And also in the previous video, we have created database. And we have created a function, which will add student data in database. So let's continue to create this project. So in this video, we will generate student card page. For example, if a student will create an account. After successfully creating account, student will get a generated student card. So let's start to create. Here I will comment out, create account page. Now let's start to create student card page. Student card page we will create in a function, as we have created other pages. Here I am creating a frame. These 2 attributes will add around color border and frame. Let's call student card page function. Here I am creating a label. Here I am creating a button. Let's add functionality to close button. In this label, we will display generated student card. Here I am creating a button. For add printer icon in button, we will use Windows Emoji Explorer. Basically, Windows Emoji Explorer provides many types of emojis and characters. And also you can search any type of emoji or character. Here I will search for printer character. Here I will click printer character. Here you can see printer character inserted. Now here I will add a pre-generated student card, for show you example how it's looking in the student card page. Here I will open a student card using Pillow module. And also, we need to set label internal image variable value. This how you can watch dedicated video why image not showing. If the image config to label in a function, video link available in description box. You can see, student card page will looks like this. Now we will create functionality, which will generate student card. For create student card, we need student card frame. Here is student card frame. So this is a image PNG file. Like this is a empty student card, where we will place student picture, and other student basic information. So let's implement this idea in function. All these images, download link will be available in the description box. For draw student picture and student information, in student card frame, we will use pillow module. Here we will use pillow ImageDraw class and ImageFont class. Using pillow image class, we will place student picture in student card frame, and using pillow ImageDraw class, we will place these text information, and using pillow ImageFont class, we will set font style and font size of text. Let's start to create. Here I will open student card frame, using pillow image class. Here I have opened a student picture, for add in student card frame. Here I will use this student picture, for show you example, how we will add picture in student card. Now let's see, how we will add student picture in student card. So the image.open object, have a paste function. Paste function will take two arguments. First argument will a image, which we want to paste. Second argument will x and y position of image, which we want to paste. Now let's see, how student picture placed in student card. So image.open object have a show function. Basically show function will display us this image, in system default image viewer. Let's call this function, for see their results. Here you can see, student picture added in student card. Now we will place text information in student card. Using pillow ImageDraw class, we will place text in student card. So this draw function will take a image object argument, in which image we want to draw something. Here I will pass student card image object argument. So the ImageDraw.draw object have text function. This text function will add text label in student card. This text function will take some arguments. The XY argument will X and Y position of text label. Text argument will text of label, which we want to place in student card. Fill argument will color of text in RGB values. Here I will set color of text black. Here you can see text placed in student card, but it's not looking good. We need to set font style and font size of text. For set font style of text, we need to define font which we want to set. So we will use Pillow Image Font class for define font. Here I will use Bondscript font style. You can use any font style. Font size I will set 18. You can see, now it's looking well. Now here we will place text, for placeholders of student data. For add this text, we will use multiline underscore text function. This function is best for add multiline text in image. So here is multiline text. Multiline underscore text function takes same arguments, which we have pass in text function. And also we will use different font style for this text. You can see, this text placed, but also we need to add spacing between these data placeholders. You can see, now it's looking well. So now we will add student data in student card. Here I have a student data. I will add this data in student card, for show you example. You can see, student data placed in student card. So now this functionality is ready to generate a student card. Now we will use this functionality when a student will create an account. After successfully creating account, we will generate student card using this functionality. This student data which I have added, for show you example. This student data we will take as argument. Draw student card function will takes two arguments. First argument will student picture path, and second argument will student data. Here I have opened a student picture for show you example. Now here I will add student picture path, which we are taking from argument. And student data argument, I will put here. Now we will use this function in create account page. So here, in the create account page, where we are adding data in the database. In the create account page, we have created pic_path variable. In this variable we are storing student open picture path. We will use this variable for pass student pic path argument to draw student card function. Here we have student entered data, which we are adding in the database. So we will pass this student entered data to draw student card function. So I have gathered these student information, which we want to mention in student card. Simply I will pass these student information in student data argument. Now let's test it. You can see, student card generated. But here is problem with student picture. You can see it's overlapped. The reason is this picture is overlapped, because for add student picture in student card, we need maximum 100 by 100 size of picture, and this picture is greater than 100 by 100. So that is reason, this picture is overlapped. Let's solve this problem. For solve this problem, we will resize student picture which we are adding in student card. Image.openObject have a resize function, which will resize image. So however student picture will greater than from maximum size or less than, but now it will be fixed size 100 by 100, which is perfect size. Now let's test it. Now you can see, problem solved. Now we will display generated student card in student card page, where student can save student card, and also student can print student card. So here is student card page, which we have created earlier. In the student card page function, we will take a argument. So this argument will be generated student card image object. Using this argument we will display generated student card. Let's see how we will pass this argument. So in the draw student card function, we are generating student card. This student card variable is a image object. Here we will return student card image object. Now this function will not display student card in image viewer. Now this function will return student card image object. So we will pass this returned image object to student card page function for display student card in student card page. For display student card image object, we will convert image object to image TK object. Now we will display this image TK object in a label. And also, we need to set label internal image variable value. This how you can watch dedicated video why image not showing. If the image config to label in a function, video link available in description box. Let's see how we will pass student card image object argument to student card page function. So here, in the create account page, where we are adding data in the database. Here we are using draw student card function for generate student card. So this function will return generated student card image object. Simply here we will pass student card image object to student card page function. Now let's test it. You can see, generated student card displaying in student card page. And also we need to fix two things. Number 1, message box is not displaying which we are displaying when student account successfully created. Number 2, and also we need to destroy create account page, when student account successfully created. Let's solve this problem, why message box not displaying. For solve this problem, we need to display message box after displaying student card page. So here we will destroy create account page, after displaying student card page. Now let's test it. Now you can see, message box displaying and also create account page destroyed. And that's for this video. In the next part of video, we will continue to create this project. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more videos.